Let's see if we can even hear it.
Yeah.
Come on, get it right.
I want to know what this feller's about to run.
I'm scared to see if it does a wheelie.
It's got a wheelie bar. So it does wheelie.
Other than the Toyota body style 68 Chevy Camaro with thick blocks, heavy engine looks like a mountain motor co-star. post on him recently. The man White Josie helping him get close to the pre-stage beat. His car launches a little bit friendlier this time.
Or they run on alcohol, so you might get drunk.
You already there?
Not yet.
Well, I am.
I'm gonna test myself.
Noah?
Swinging the yellow and black, one to watch, but the Grinch, Grant Rossi, he is the king of the quick eights if he can get this bike to hook.
Talking about the cockpit, the burn.
hooked up and get it down the track. Last night, Grant Rossi ran the Grinch with a quarter mile at 207 miles per hour. There he is. Getting over. First time behind the wheel of the car that is new to him. And 4 years in the making.
Took him 4 years to build that car. This is his third time behind the wheel of it.
2 others being today.
Put his fine touches on this car. Got it tuned up and ready.
This man's, that's his fucking baby. We both know that.
That's why he's only been racing solo.
Not really looking for full 8 mile or quarter mile performances, but just still there. This is fourth inside cameras, and if there is no stop car, you see how they shift. It's like basically one chip shift, one more, boom, 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 and you get through all 5 gears. That's what Mark's trying to do inside this Camaro. And Charleston will be up in the left lane. The sun is setting on these cars. We have to look at the tree. Don't know if we're getting much glare down there now or not. Racers have been back in the pit area. Sportsman.
That Camaro don't sound good.
Right now we're going to see Charleston double clutch at the same time the other way. To win.
Oh, that is a Ford.
To avoid a breakout.
When I first looked at it, it looked like a Dodge.
Then you got an OBS Chevy versus a S197.
No, different body. Oh, no. Yep. As see behind. BS 197.
Hey, we might get to see a Mustang moment. Mustang involved. Yeah, this is the common body style that you see crash.
The S197 on Fox body, my guy.
One thing about the bike, you never know where they're going to go. We watch race cars come to the starting line, we think, he's in the groove, or he's out of the groove, or whatever. But in this particular case, we can see clearly. Jericho 719. Riders, of course.
No, did they?
How they apply the horsepower to the racing surface so they don't break the tire loose. Grant Rossi has not disappointed so far this weekend with 200-mile-per-hour runs in the right lane on the grid.
I'm excited for this truck. You hear that, right?
The cam?
No, the whistle.
You can still hear.
Josh, you picked up the truck.
Put my ears back so the sonar isn't as loud.
Picking up 12 channels over there?
Dude, that truck just ran an 11.8.
She was hit. 900. And finding odd number of cars, two more cats will get sold.
Ooh.
In the groove in the right-hand lane.
Fucking 220 mile an hour.
That's a fucking Freightliner, my guy. That's more fucked than a bike.
Are dependent on hooking up.
I'm keeping this in the video. I do hope
I do
you.
not give a fuck.
Alright. As long as we're on the same page here, my guy. What? Shut the fuck up.
No.
I'm gonna have to age rate this now because of.
Setting up.
Higher idle.
92 wheelbase, inch wheelbase rather. The total
inch wheelbase in these cars are
2,100 pounds to drive around
and
the
91 inches is the
Fuck me.
That'd be like the 6 Tyrone things.
Why is that your comparison?
That's what came to mind first.
You could have literally said anything else, but no, that.
Tyrone's dick weekend.
Like the front axles on this are probably the same width apart as mine. Yeah, fuck that. Me racing this would be a fucking death wish. I might as well just say, fuck it, here's $1,000, fuck off.
Easiest way to put it.
Sponsored by Waller and Chantel Baker. The body entries out there once again with this camera getting this video. Get your hands up in the air. Wave to Russ as he fires up the jet engine. After giving that big wave, you can grab your cell phone camera again and get this all captured for your enjoyment. Up here in the tower, we start grabbing things. We're grabbing supervisors. We're grabbing the microphone. We're grabbing laptops.
It's gonna feel like Tomorrowland. Bigger than what I remember.
Suddenly got warm over here.
Oh, really?
Suddenly getting warm.
Where, on the front side or the back side? I smoke. Oh yeah, he blew the door open.
and sled to lanes 3 and 4. Bike and sled lanes 3 and 4.
Two Mustangs. Who's going to
And
crash
your
their
dragsters.
Getting for the split. They're going to be running bikes again. There's bikes coming up into the staging lanes.
I want to know what those frames are built out of, because those fucking nuts I know weigh a lot.
Yeah. Hey, that box body, he's got a hot tune-up in it. There's a chance this thing is either going to crash or go boom. Both.
I wonder if that's why the semi-truck was going so fast the other night.
Bangkok!
Fuck off, don't be a dick. Shut up. Shut up.
Hey! Hey!
Fuck off.
Goes to Chuck Graham Jr.
ain't need headlights. It's a race car. Headlights giving too much weight. So we're running the fucking split window versus a fucking Datsun.
That's not the split window.
That's not the split window?
No, that's not.
Oh shit.
Great, watch cars go fast in a straight line.
It's a win at 6:01. And the buy run goes to James
We'll
Hall.
have to drive 40 minutes south to go to where we're staying for the night.
Well, we still gotta go to Grand Path.
We'll have to go into Grand Bend too. Don't tell me to stop drinking as you're holding the tea.
Yeah, 6:09.
Outside or inside? Oh, fuck. Fuck me.
He is smoking on the side of the CN train right now. Yes, sir.